6, a 5, 6, go!
Moses, supposes, his roses are roses, the Moses, supposes, erroneously.
Marvelous, now split in half and follow along!
The show this year is Singing in the Rain.
Make them laugh, make them laugh, make them laugh.
So it starts out with these two big silent movie stars, Lena Lamont and Don Lockwood. I'm Charlie Morse. I'm playing Don Lockwood. He's basically like a big celebrity actor. He and the film company he's part of goes through the talkies. This is a problem for Don because his quote immortal screen lover has a really ugly voice.
What's wrong with me? Why doesn't he kiss me?
My name is Emma Early, and I'll be playing Lena Lamont. And essentially, Lena Lamont does not have a very pleasant voice.
Me? What's wrong with him?
Now, Lena's voice is really, like,
high pitch.
Yeah, like weird.
interesting.
It's like,
I can't
So,
stand you.
they're
That's
trying
actually
to make
very accurate.
a talking movie.
When the talkies come out, which are talking pictures, they realize that she can't really star in them because no one knows how bad her voice is, so they bring in Kathy Selden, who kind of dubs for her voice, and meanwhile Don and Kathy fall in love.
So Don meets an actor named Kathy Selden, who has an amazing voice.
I'm Sophia Gorno, and I play Kathy Selden.
In my imagination, I searched for starlit skies so bright.
Kathy Selden is a kind and very determined character.
There I saw you in the
My favorite scene, I really like the Lucky Star scene,
You are my
which is when Kathy's taken into audition.
I saw you from afar.
Can you talk a little bit about the Singin' in the Rain musical number that you get to perform?
oh, definitely, that's my favorite thing to do. Just singing, singing in the rain. So, I think it's the best because it has the best combination of dancing and props, the umbrellas. I'm happy again. I think it came together for a really cool effect.
I'm Aeden Barnett.
I'm Donovan McCammon.
I'm Anthony Tyler.
Basically, we're working the mics on some of the characters, especially ones with lead roles.
Usually if they're quiet.
Yeah, usually if they're quiet.
And then back here we have a light board where we control the lights up front, and then we have 2 spotlights outside of the booth on stage.
And usually we just kind of rotate around for who does that.
Yeah, it's pretty involved during some songs, especially when you're changing the mics on and off for different people. It's just kind of hard, and you gotta like figure out who to press, and it's pretty involved.
I just love using mice and basically any electronics.
Yeah,
Just my thing.
my favorite's soundboard or lightboarding.
My favorite sound.
Spotlight.
I don't really like doing spotlight. I just don't like doing it.
He's short.
Yeah, because I'm short. I need a stool.
I'm basically towering over that too, so.
That's the Broadway melody.
It's been a really great experience. Everyone is so supportive and caring, and they're really great people to work with. It's been actually really fun. Everybody's pretty friendly with each other.
Broadway rhythm, it's got me, everybody.
It's been amazing. I think the show is coming along really well, and everyone's working so hard, and it's definitely been a really good experience for me. I feel like I've learned a lot.
And I just really enjoyed the experience altogether.
On a great white way in each merry cafe, orchestras play, taking your breath away with a Broadway rhythm. Broadway rhythm. Broadway rhythm, it's got me. Everybody sing and dance.
So, what do you think? It's a little hard to imagine. Could you do it for me again?
People should come to see the show because it's such a classic. There's really great dance numbers as well as costumes, and there's some pretty funny scenes in it. It's definitely a comedy show.
People should come see the show because we worked so hard, and it's a really good show that'll make everyone laugh and smile.
I walk down the lane.
It's awesome, and they get to see our work live.
They put a
It's
lot
also
of
a
hard work
classic.
into it. It's a classic. It's great.